Everything works on this saw. I just checked every function. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's to lock the table in position. And that's a stop. Just a little sticky. I had to oil it twice and it's still sticky. But anyway, no, you gotta push it down a little bit, that's right. Push it down right, then it locks in. Okay, and then there it comes out again. That is the bevel right there. And this is, there's a, oh yeah, you got a key right there. And that allows you to move the angle, which I'm going to leave it right there. I already checked it. And so I got everything. Yeah, I got that up. There's no feet on it. I think it's meant for I can't see if you can see that or not. Anyway, I think it's got some kind of mechanism you're supposed to buy and lock it to a table. Anyway, I got it, what, it's set at a 15 degree bevel. And I'll get something different here. A 15 degree bevel and 0 degrees on the angle. That was when the battery fell out. There we go. All right, here we go. And there is the bevel. That thing works perfectly. I don't think, like I said in the last video, I don't think it's ever been used. In fact, the saw blade had plastic still on it, like cellophane or something, you know. You look at that nice smooth cut. And I had to undo all that, of course. And plus, the blade is perfectly sharp. And I know that for a fact. The way you can tell if a blade is sharp or not is if you run your fingernail across the teeth, and if it scratches your fingernail, and that means the blade is sharp. See? There's a scratched fingernail. All right, then you, yeah, see this, this knob in the back here. That red knob in the back is for the bevel. See? There we are, 0. And then, of course, as I said, and this locks the table. I don't know if you can see this or not. This locks the table in position. And then this, where are we at here? Maybe one more thing here. Oh, yeah. It's hard to do with no cameraman. Well, anyway, there's an Allen key, right? Let me get this down here. Oh man, 0, 0. Where the hell? Oh, I still got it on the bevel. I gotta get it on the 0 on the bevel. Right there. Okay. And then There's an Allen key right there. See? I'll just pull it out and show you. You turn that. You put it back in there. Oh yeah, there it is. Put it back in there. And that enables you to unlock or lock the bevel. Another perfect cut. Yeah, that blade is sharp, all right. I'm not sure if this is a brushless motor or not. I'm going to have to get a manual, I guess. Oh, that damn battery fell out. Jeez. This is not the original battery. This never had lithium batteries back in those days. There we go. All right. Well, I guess that's it.